Whether you're a boy or a girl, hair takes your beauty to another level. But at present, hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting 1/3 of the population. Everyone loses 100 hair strands each day. Today I will talk about why hair falls out. If you don't know, can't prevent hair loss. And if you do not subscribe to our channel, you must subscribe and keep the bell icon on. Number 1 is not use shampooing properly. Many of us use shampoos that contain extra chemicals, which is very harmful for us, so you have to use chemical-free shampoo. There are many types of shampoos on the present market, some good and some bad. Take a knowledge at the shampoos before you use. Number 2, biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin that's a part of the vitamin B. It's also known as vitamin H. Your body needs biotin to help convert certain nutrients into energy. It also plays an important role in the health of your hair, skin, and nails. Number 3, protein. Eat at least 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day to save hair. In other words, if you weigh 50 kilograms, eat 50 grams of protein. You can use protein supplements if you have little time, which is quite effective. Number 4, shampoo your head at the end of the gym. Nowadays a lot of people spend a lot of time in gym. After a lot of time at their gym, the head is sweating, and this sweat means salt. And salt means alkali. It makes the hair rough and weakens it from the inside. Number 5, vitamin E may help support a healthy scalp and hair, as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. The vitamin's antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. Number 6, water. The most important thing we can do for our body is drink water. You have to drink 5 liters of water every day, because water keeps the cells of your scalp well and increases blood circulation. Number 7, avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair, because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide-toothed comb. Also avoid brushing hair too frequently, as doing so can injure hair and increase loss. Use your fingers to undo tangles, not a comb or brush. Number 8, avoid smoking. Smoking cigarettes reduces the amount of blood that flows to the scalp, and this causes a reduction in hair growth. Number 9, green tea. Green tea is not only beneficial when trying to shed kilos, but is also a herbal remedy for hair loss. Green tea contains polyphenolic compounds, which is considered quite beneficial to prevent hair fall. Number 10, physical activity. Make time for physical activity every day. Walk, swim for 30 minutes a day. Help balance hormonal levels, reducing stress levels besides reducing hair fall. Now our bonus tips. Take care of your health. Health problems are harbingers of hair loss. Ensure you deal with chronic illnesses, high fevers and infections properly to ensure healthy hair. Hair enhances human beauty, so it is very important to take care of the hair. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share.